Hi guys, good morning. Today I want to style my hair. I have short hair right now, and I just got something in my package, and it is the Xylo. This one is from Xylo. It's a Dutch brand, and they sent me this one of their hot brush. First of all, I want to talk about the packaging. How cool is the packaging? It's from paper. So today I want to unboxing, and together with you I want to show you how I style my hair every day, so stay tuned. Okay, let's open it together. I'm impressed. Look at this. It comes with a bag, which is very convenient if you want to go travel somewhere. This bag, like, you need it. Okay, I'm going to open it, and this is how it looks. It's so chic. I really like the design. This is the cable, and it also comes with this little strap right here that can secure the cable together, so it's not like messy around. So yeah, I just want to show you how it looks like. I guess, yeah, this is the, how you say it? You can hear that? Yeah, this is how you control the hot. There is the 3 setting, there is the cool 1 and 3. I guess the 1 and 3 is hot, and the cool one is cool. So yeah, let's just jump right to it. Okay, first thing first, what I like to do is, of course, brush my hair. I have a curly frizzy hair, and I use this one is from Wet Brush. I used this already a while, and I really enjoy using this brush. And my hair has some damage from the coloring, bleaching and all that. So what I like to do is, after I'm brushing my hair, I use this one is Husk Argan Oil Repairing Hair Oil. I'm going to like this much, and use it like in the bottom part of my hair, like this part. Really only in the end of your hair. And then the next product that I'm going to be using is this one is from Schwarzkopf, yeah. Schwarzkopf is, okay, it's got to be, this one is how you say it, heat protector. I always use heat protector before I am styling my hair with any hair tools. And this one comes with the, it has a glossy finish, so I really like it. Yep. The next thing that you want to do is grab a hair clippers. I'm going to section my hair like this much. Okay, and then I'm going to set in my watch like how long this styling will be. So I'm going to stop with 0, and I'm going to start now. mentioned, I've been using hot brush for a while, but not this one particularly. I have the Revlon one, and I will make a comparison video next. But yeah, one thing that you want to do is, like, you want to brush your hair down and then up and then down and then up. So you don't want to brush your hair like this because it will not give you the volume. So you want to do like up and down and up, 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 okay? One thing I like to do is, like, for this part right here, I will do the last. Funny. What I like also, as you can see, so whatever you want to roll it, it won't make your cable stuck. The last part, it's done. 8 around about 9 minutes, my hair done, and that's it. For the longer hair, I guess it will take longer, but again, this is like blowing dry your hair with styling at the same time, because usually without this you need to blow dry first, and then you need to blow dry, and then you need to style it, so you need to do it 2 times. But this, with only this one hot brush, you can do both, which is blow dry, give you volume, and yeah, make it like, as you can see. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I really enjoy using hot brush. It's been 1 year right now I'm using hot brush, so I really suggest you to, for a faster styling, I really recommend you to buy this kind of style. And again, this one is from Xylo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.